Okay, so today it was actually an off day. It was a rest day. So we woke up at around like 11 a.m. and then we got to eat ก๋วยเตี๋ยวห้อยขา Yeah, so basically the concept is that you sit above a fish pond. And then I got a free drink and then I got some noodles. It was so good. And then we also ate some somtam. So yeah. It was delicious. And then after that, we got back to our place and then we did some laundry and then we watched the movie Shutter, which was really fun. And that's all. Literally, that's all. Bye. Day 3.